finally, I have a critical error on my WordPress website. Now, that isn't me just being a little bit crazy here. I have genuinely been waiting for a critical error to come up. Now, this is just on one of my websites, travelcrush.co.uk. And I wanted there to be a critical error because I wanted to create a video on the Hostinger's new AI Troubleshooter. And finally, I was able to do that today. So, visited my website today, had no idea this was going to happen, and I was greeted with a critical error. Now, I couldn't log into the back end, I couldn't do anything, it just threw this error code, it just threw this error message, and there wasn't anything further that I could do. So what I actually did was to jump over to my Hostinger account and then went to the website that had the issue. And it said, it flagged up in the top corner over here that there was an issue or a critical issue detected on this website and if I wanted to troubleshoot it. So of course I said yes, because this is what I've been waiting to do and to test out. And we could see that it's just started running a few different things. Now, it said that it had detected a 500 error, which is just an error code. And it started checking through some of the logs, some of the website details, some of the files, etc., etc. And then it asked if I wanted to actually have this AI fix those problems, which I thought was pretty bloody cool. So, of course, I said yes. And it started working through, you know, a few little things were spinning here, spin, spin, spin. Now, given it did take about 5 minutes, but I mean, that's also totally fine because I didn't have to wait for a second to speak to a live agent or anything like that. Didn't have to email any kind of customer support. Just an AI tool within Hostinger that was troubleshooting and fixing this issue for me. And after about 4 or 5 minutes, it came up saying that it was successfully resolved. So then what I was able to do, just come back and check the website. Fingers crossed it's all working out because I actually haven't, and it is, which is fantastic. So what I would also want to do is just check to make sure the back end is all working okay. I would assume that it has turned off those plugins that was perhaps causing a problem. I'm guessing it must have been a plugin conflict, maybe just an automatic update that was running, and then one day this week or last week, I'm not sure, it's ran into a couple of problems. So we can take a little look now to see what this AI has actually gone and done, because it's pretty bloody cool, do you not agree, that we can now just get AI to fix the problems on our websites? Now, I also work with WPX. I have a WPX account, and their support is available within seconds. You don't even have to wait. You speak to them straight away, and they will go away and resolve these issues for you. Again, they do everything. Whatever I need them to do, they will do for me, which, you know, you're paying the price for that service anyway. But now, with Hostinger, paying like $2 a month for my premium hosting account to host 100 websites and everything else that you get with Hostinger, you can really start to see the benefits of, well, the value, not even the benefits, the value behind this hosting plan. So again, let's just take a quick look just to see what plugins. Okay, so there was the beta version of Elemental. Maybe that is what they've deactivated. Maybe that was the issue. If we actually have a look here, we can see, no, it doesn't actually tell us what it has fixed. All it said is that it's reset file permissions, helped to restore the issue. Website should, so resetting file permissions. That's very interesting. So that's probably under htaccess or one of those files, which it has automatically gone away, identified as an issue, and resolved. So it's not even deactivated any plugins. These are exactly as it is. So that is really, really cool. So I just wanted to create this quick video today just to show you how you can actually use this AI troubleshooter within Hostinger dashboard for any of your websites if you have any issues. Because again, if you're with somebody like SiteGround, or if you're with somebody like, hopefully not HostGator or Bluehost or one of those terrible ones, you don't get anything like that, and you have to wait hours, if not days, to speak to someone to actually get problems like this resolved. So massive big tick from Hostinger for introducing this AI troubleshooter. It's really working. Well done, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please remember to hit that thumbs up and give me a like. And if you would like to see more content just like what you saw in this video, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on, and you'll always be the first person to hear when my newest content is published. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.